Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the June Boxy Luxe box. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell right down below so you can be notified of all my future uploads. So BoxyLuxe is part of the BoxyCharm subscription service. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service that's $21.99 a month. And then BoxyLuxe is every 3 months. It's an upgrade to that, where it's $28.99 a month. So BoxyLuxe, you get 9 to 10 products, and BoxyCharm, you get 4 to 5 products. And on the months that you would get BoxyLuxe, you don't get your regular BoxyCharm box because they overlap some of the products. So let's get started. Open up this box. Looks like this. So let's see what all we have in here. Okay, into the box. So this month theme is getaway. So here's the little pamphlet, little card with all the prices. So we will add those up as we're going through. Ooh, so I'm so excited. So I got the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I really like products like this that just give you volume to your hair. As you can see, my hair is really flat. So this is a really nice product to make my hair better. And that is $29. Next up, we have the PYT hair dryer. So it's got some diffusers with it. And it's just a mini little hair dryer. So it looks like this. It's nice and cute. So it's really nice. So we'll see how it works if I go anywhere and have a smaller hair dryer to take with me. So that is an $85 value. So that's more than the box cost on its own. That's crazy. Oh, goodness, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Okay, next up is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. And it has an eyelash curler with it. So this is $25. Let's open this up and see how this little thing works. So in case you're wondering, this is variation 6B. This says it right down in the corner. So here's the little eyelash. That is so cool. So you just use it as a little eyelash. This is going to be really nice on like the outside and inside of the eyes. That is so cool. Let's see. The mask. Ooh, it's a nice little, it's like a small hourglass wand, if you can see that. We'll see how it goes. That is nice. Next up is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. So it looks like this. And it is $35. Next up is the Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy. It's a resurfacing night serum. It's a little bottle. And this is $58. Holy cow, this is already shaping up to be a really good box. Let's see. Can't really smell it yet, but we'll see how it works out. Can never have too many night creams. Next up is the No Problem Prime Essence. So I know we did get a primer from Touch and Soul before, and it was their No Problem. Let me see which one it was. I had it in here. This is the No Problem Primer. So this is similar, but this is the Prime Essence instead of just the No Pore Primer. So we'll see how this one works out. This looks like it's more of like a gel than that one is more creamy. So this will be nice to try out. And this is, which is this one, $23. Next up is the Skin and Company Aqua Illuminate Viso Truffle Therapy Illuminate Skin Refresh Mist. It's a Radiant Dew. Let's see what scent this has. Ooh, that is a good scent. I like that. And this product is $35. We have the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. What's the exact? The lemonade lip gloss. So this is the shade Peach Tea. I can open the package. Ooh, that is really pretty. Look at that color. Let's try it on and see what it looks like. It doesn't smell like lemonade, but it has a good scent. It smells like a cupcake, honestly. It smells so good. And this is a really pretty color for a lip gloss. I like this. And this one is a $17 lip gloss. And finally is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 palette. So I know if you got BoxyLuxe this month, they let you choose whether you wanted one of the palette, the like face palettes, or you wanted the eyeshadow palette. So this one, I kind of wanted all of them, but I chose the base palette, and this is so pretty. You have 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, a matte bronzer, and a shimmery bronzer. So this is like your perfect all-in-one face palette, and it's got mirrors on either side. So that is really nice. Let's do a little swatch of these. They're so buttery. So those are the blushes. That is so pretty. Next up, we'll do the highlighters. They are so soft. That is the highlighters. This is more like a rosy color, and this is more like a true gold. So both colors I love for highlighter. Next, we'll do the bronzers. So here's the more matte bronzer and the more shimmery bronzer. So I usually use this shimmery bronzer for all over and then a matte to go in and contour. So this palette really works for everything, and I will get a ton of use out of it. And this retails for $45. So this is a great palette. So that brings the total of this box up to $352. So that is a great value for how much you pay for this box. So in case you've liked all of these products, I will leave a link down below for you to check out BoxyCharm. And if you choose, you can upgrade to BoxyLuxe for every 3 months. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!